Ayan, yan yung si Montes. Alright, okay. Alright. So ayan guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Santo Stefano, sa Italy, right? Italy, no? Medyo maganda yung lugar guys, medyo makulimlim kanina. Now, you will see na nag-sun na siya guys, no? Mainit na, kaya yan, maganda na siya guys, tingnan. Alright, so ayan guys, clear yung water natin. And maganda yung weather, you had the blue skies, and yeah, alright. Hello! Hello! Okay! So ayan guys, ito yung tender natin. Maganda yung tender natin guys, no? Kasi meron tayong sunroof. Saka ang ganda ng kulay guys. Alright. Ayan, yung driver natin dito, Pilipino din. Ayan. Anong masabi mo sa driving natin?
Cool na cool ang dagat.
Cool. Alright. Ayan guys. Season na driver na to. Kaya okay lang. Ayan. So medyo maalon konti, no? But cool lang yan guys. And ayan, yun yung barko natin, Silver Ray. Babalik na kami. Alright. Okay. Say hi for our kababayan.
Hi kabayan.
Hello.
Hello.
Alright guys.